Say it, Ryan.
Wait, Ryan, start again.
And
So
this
infinity and beyond. What you gotta say one thing.
There was infinity and beyond.
Mm-hmm.
How do you say it? That's not how you say it.
What's it called?
To infinity and beyond.
To infinity and beyond.
Oh, yay. Okay.
And this was, and the car was on my back.
Mm-hmm.
And this was, I was holding Bailey and she went out of my hands.
Oh, he ran out of your hands?
Yes, Bailey.
And who's Bailey?
This is the way it goes.
Oh, okay.
And
What
this
are...
is bears, and this is the big one. And this is Carrie George. And this is Mickey.
Very good. Those are what? What are all those things? These are a few of my favorite things. Yeah?
These are my favorite things. That's what those are.
Oops.